What's up, everybody? Today is a beautiful day. Of course, we have a new dance tutorial for you. It's hip hop. So the title of the song is called Blueberry Faygo by Lil Mosey. All right, let's start. All right, guys, let's start. So for this one, we're gonna face to your right. Yes, right. So for this one, grab 1 and 2. So make sure you bend back when you're doing this. 6, 7, and gonna go 1 and 2. Remember the count, 1 and 2, lift, and 3, open, and 4. Then, let's try one more time. 6, 7, 8, go bend, and 2, and 3, and 4. So from here, 4, and. So your weight, go to your left. And 5, overhead. 6, knee facing front. 6, go, set, bend. This one is 7, and 8. All right, one more time. Let's do it faster. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And 5, 6, 7, 8. You got that? One more time. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6. Go 7 and 8. All right. Next, from here, you're gonna go and 1. As simple as that. 7 and 8 and 1. Then lean back. 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Down on 7, 8. All right. So the counting is a little bit confusing. I'm trying to count. I don't want to do the sound effects like choo cha cha. So count is easy to remember. So 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. So make sure 4. By the way, this one is down 2 and 3. Step 4. In, then left up. 4 and 5. Away on 6. Drop on 7, 8. Good job. Let's try from first to second. Here we go, slow. 5, 6, 7, and go 1 and 2, up 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next. So from here, end up on 7, 8. A simple 1, 2, 3, and 4. You get that? One more time. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, kick front 5 and 6 to the front and 7, da and 8. That was fast. One more time. Let's connect. From 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Let's try first, second, and third. Okay? By the way, if you are having hard time, just repeat the video and make it slow. There's an option in YouTube. Alright? You got this. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5. So only 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Kick back. 6 and 7 and 8. Good job. All right, next from here. So from here you're gonna go back, right. 1, 2, and 3, and a 4. So when you look at the front, it looks like this. So in 1, cross 2, and 3, and a 4. So face to your left, 7, 8, go step right, cross back, and half. So 4. From here you're gonna go 5. Left to the front, 6, and drop 7, open the 8. So basically this one is tap, tap. Okay, let's try. Continuous but slow. 6, 7, and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good job. Let's try one more time. This time is fast. 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, and 7, 8. From the beginning. 4, 8. Here we go. In 5, 6, and 7. Slow. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6. Go 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and up. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Yo, good job. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that simple choreography. Well, not really simple, but try to get it. Just keep rewinding, rewind, rewind. Don't give up, alright? By the way, thank you for all who subscribe on our channel. Please don't forget to share, like, comment, and I forgot the other one. Alright? So, we'll see you on our next video. Okay? It'll be probably next week.